Hey, thanks, Sam. So I was wondering, since you just mentioned PowerPoint skill and Excel skills, I know that you might cover this in your training videos, but I just want to ask, like, when the interviewer asks about how do you define your these type of skills, how do you just summarize and give them a like a good answer?
When the interview asks you what was the question that they asked
Like,
you?
how they ask like how's your Excel skill? Like, typically I don't know how to answer this. Like, do I give them like example about what kind of formula I use, or to summarize, or to correlate three
Um,
statements?
I think how you answer depends on how good you are at Excel, right? Like, how comfortable are you? Like, I think one way you can answer is just like, I mean, you never want to be like super cocky about it, but you also don't want to give like a super, you also don't want to be like, oh yeah, like I'm horrible at it either. Like, I would probably try to give an answer that's, like somewhat above average, but also be humble enough to say that, you still have a lot to learn and a lot of room to improve as well at the same time, right? So you can do something like, I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm probably a 6 or a 7, right? So it's like a little bit higher than the middle. And what I mean by that is, I don't know, I'm just gonna make up an answer now. What I mean by that is, um, I obviously got a good amount of experience working in Excel, especially over the summer, and I'm pretty comfortable using, um, basic Excel functions like, I don't know, you can just name a couple, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match, and
Uh,
like whatever function you actually know. Um, with that said, I do think that um, I still have room for improvement as well. Like, there are still other functions that I for sure haven't used. And so I'm definitely looking forward to learning them and getting even better. And also, I just think that, um, in terms of like speed and efficiency, knowing all the shortcuts and hotkeys and just being able to do the same things that I'm doing now, but even faster. I know that, like, efficiency is very important in banking. I think that's just going to come with experience, and that's just going to come with putting in more reps. And that's why I don't think I'm like quite at a 9 or a 10 per se, but I would say I have a good foundation, and it's something that I'm looking forward to building off of. I don't know, something like, I just made that up right now on the spot, right? So
yeah, no, thank you. I know, like, from my experience working before, I never encountered a situation where VBA is the like a critical or like a must thing to have, but like, I mean, once I got asked by an interview about like whether you know VBA or not. I mean, for investment banking job, like how do you answer this? Like, what if you really don't know what
well, do you know VBA?
I do not.
Yeah, I mean, so if you don't know it, then I wouldn't lie about it, because if you say you do and they feel like you're BSing, they can even like test you about on the spot, and you don't want to be exposed, right? Um, but I'll be honest, like, I've never used VBA a single time during my time in banking. Like, I know there are people that have, so I'm not saying that like it can be useful, of course, for like automating stuff, but like it's very, very far from being a necessity. So um I don't know. I was, so if they ask you like if you know how to use VBA, I would just be honest and say, no, I haven't. In fact, throughout my entire summer internship, I don't. I certainly use myself, but I also don't really recall any of the other people on the team using VBA in their models either. With that said, though, if that's something that is critical for the job, then I would certainly be like more than willing to learn it. And I'm a quick learner, so I think I could probably pick it up pretty quickly, right? Something along those lines, right?
Yeah, thanks. They're really helpful.
Yeah. That first part about like your internship and you never having to use it and you also not seeing anyone else use it is a polite way of saying like, I don't think this is necessary for banking, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Because you're not gonna just tell the guy like, well, I don't think you need that for banking, because like that would be that'd be like a little bit too confrontational, right? But speaking about like your own experience, you just in your experience, you haven't really had the opportunity to need to use that, right? And that's just factual, right?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Hey there, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for more customized advice that's tailored for your specific situation, then I invite you to book a free strategy session with our team at the link below. We'll talk to you soon.